Les Waller International, we're ready for Thursday's Japanese snack. In this big green bag came 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, about 10 little bags. And each of these bags has a little star on it. It says for kids use. Smells like chocolate. Not gum. Yeah, it's a kind of a, not chocolate how you and I would think of chocolate, so it's kind of like a mix of chocolate, but it's got a little bit of a, what would it be? A little bit of a, not a crunch to it, but it's like close to getting to that crunch type texture. They're not bad. It's not, you don't get an overly, a lot of chocolate flavor out of it. I mean, I suppose you could suck on it, but you're not getting much. Yeah, when you suck on it, you're not getting much. It's when you chew it and you get the full flavor in your mouth. So, I mean, it's okay, I guess. You can see why it says for kids use. Maybe that's it. Maybe it's supposed to be for kids and kids like it. I don't know. It doesn't do too much for me. So I'm going to give it a so-so. I wouldn't go out and buy it to have. And I'm probably not going to finish these because I'm spoiled and I like chocolate. So we'll go on to Friday's Japanese snacks and we'll see you tomorrow. Smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. We got more to come.